remembering God says that we put Him first and He is a priority in our life, and spending time with God is always well.
To light your day with a beautiful thought. You have the power to protect your peace. I repeat, you have the power to protect your peace. Having the power to protect your peace means recognizing your ability to control and preserve your own sense of calm, contentment, and well-being. It's a reminder to take charge of your own serenity and happiness, acknowledging that you have the ability to shape your experiences and responses to ultimately maintain a sense of inner tranquility. Thank you.
Thank you.
Talk about fundamental rights very loudly, but when it comes to our fundamental duties towards the country, defend the country, we all fall back in a state of hesitation. This constitution has given us the fundamental duty to recite the responsibility towards the society and the country for defending the country and abide by the Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution imposes certain duties and responsibilities upon its citizens which are essential for the well-being and progress of the society as a whole.
Refer to the moral and civic obligation of Indian citizens as assigned in the Constitution of India. These duties were added to the Constitution through the 42nd Amendment Act in 1976, inspired by the recommendation of Swaran Singh Committee. There are 11 fundamental duties listed in the Article of 51A of the Indian Constitution. They are
Constitution and respect its ideals, the national flag and national anthem, sober ideas that inspired the national struggle for freedom.
uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India.
For harmony and the state of common brotherhood among all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic, and regional or sexual diversities, to renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of women,
And improve the natural environment, including forests, lakes, rivers, and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures.
Preserve the rich heritage of the country's composite culture, with property, and observe violence.
provide opportunities to study for education to one child, as the case may be, born between 6 to 14 years. Now we are going to present a play on fundamental duties. There are various types of fundamental duties. Let's see which are they. Choose your rights, do your duties, know your rights. Choose your rights, choose your rights, do your duties, know your rights.
Oh my God! Our national flag is lying on the floor and nobody's even bothered.
Why you are so worried? It's just a piece of paper.
No, it is not a piece of paper. It is our national flag and dignity of our nation. Do you know, in our constitution, we have fundamental duties like to abide by our nation, institution, and constitution.
Okay, friend, I will take care of it. Use your rights, do your duties, know your rights. Use your rights, do your duties, know your rights.
What a beautiful monument it is. I will write my name on it.
Hey, why are you writing your name on the ancient one?
Because I want to be famous and many people wish here. So many people wish here. So I will be famous. See, I have written today's date also.
What? Are you out of your mind? Do you actually think people will know you? If you
of the public property.
हमें ले लो खिलौने, प्यारे प्यारे खिलौने, खिलौने ले लो खिलौने, प्यारे प्यारे खिलौने।
अरे दोस्त, क्या तुम स्कूल नहीं जाते? जब भी मैं स्कूल से आती हूँ या जाती हूँ, मैं सिर्फ तुम्हें यही देखती हूँ।
नहीं, मैं स्कूल नहीं जाता। मैं यहाँ खिलौने बेचने आता हूँ।
क्या क्या तुम स्कूल नहीं जाना चाहते? क्या तुम पढ़ना नहीं चाहते?
हाँ, मैं स्कूल जाना चाहता हूँ। मैं भी पढ़ना चाहता हूँ, पर मेरे माता पिता के पास इतने पैसे नहीं हैं कि वो मुझे पढ़ा सके।
अरे दोस्त, तुम चिंता क्यों करते हो? हमारी भारत सरकार 14 साल तक के बच्चों को मुफ्त में शिक्षा देती है, लेकिन पर हमारा अधिकार है कि हम खुद स्कूल तक जाएं और शिक्षा से वंचित ना रहें।
ये अब मैं रोज स्कूल जाऊंगा।
देखो, हम सब स्कूल चले भाई स्कूल चले। देखो, हम सब स्कूल चले।
Do it.
No, it's your work. I will not do this work.
No, it is your work. You do it.
Wait, friends. What are you doing? Don't fight. Everyone is watching you.
But it is her work, not my work.
Okay. You both listen to me. If you will do this work together, then you will be ending nicely. You need to understand that if you are united, we can do any work no matter how difficult it is. And India is famous for its unity and in diversity. And fighting is not the solution to any problem. And we should live peacefully in a united way. Okay, let us do this work together. अनेकता में एकता ही हमारी शान है, इसलिए तो सब कहते हैं मेरा भारत महान है, मेरा भारत महान है, मेरा भारत महान है, मेरा भारत महान है। Thank you.
Towards the nation and fellow citizens. These duties include respecting the Constitution, cherishing the ideals of freedom and equality, promoting harmony and safeguarding public property. It's important to note that these duties are not enforceable by law and no legal consequences for not fulfilling them. However, they are considered the moral obligations of the citizens towards the nations and are aimed at promoting a sense of responsibility and commitment among the people. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Thank you.
See to your inner peace, okay? You should focus on your inner peace, right? Stay calm, stay composed, okay? And whatever rights and duties they've talked about,